Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of innovative kitchen sinks with a spotlight on the stunning Ruvati 30-inch Granite Composite Workstation matte black undermount kitchen sink. Join me as we explore the extraordinary features and functionality of this game-changing sink.
The epiStage series from Ruvati brings workstation functionality to Granite Composite sinks. The sink has built-in ledges on the front and back for the sliding accessories that are included with the sink. Ruvati's epiStage workstation turns your sink into a complete workspace. You can do all your prep work right on top of your sink and keep your countertops clean and free of mess. If you are looking beyond stainless steel and want to add some color and character to your kitchen design, the epiStage sinks are an elegant choice. The sink is constructed from 80% crushed natural granite, giving the sink extreme durability and the look of real stone. The sink is colored all the way through for a rich and consistent look that will never discolor.
A true game changer in the world of kitchen sinks. With its innovative design, this sink features ledges on the front and back, serving as a convenient track for the included accessories. Whether it's cutting boards, colanders, or drying racks, everything has a designated place within reach, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. What sets this sink apart is its versatile dual-mount installation, offering the flexibility to be installed either as an undermount or drop-in top mount, adapting seamlessly to your kitchen layout. Crafted with composite granite, this sink boasts exceptional durability and strength, with 80% crushed natural granite in its construction. Moreover, the sink's color runs consistently throughout, ensuring a rich and vibrant appearance that will never fade or discolor. Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen experience with the unmatched functionality and enduring beauty of the Ruvati Workstation sink. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the remarkable Ruvati 30-inch Granite Composite Workstation matte black undermount kitchen sink. If you would like to learn more, click on the link below.